Hello, welcome, Marlene here. I recently shared a little preview of today's cookie project at the end of this Easter basket video. So if you want to watch the Easter basket, you'll find the link in the description box. But today we're making this adorable Peter Rabbit inspired Easter bunny. And now on to the step-by-step tutorial. Now I'm just creating kind of an area that's going to be white for the end of the nose and around the eye, just like that. That's it. Just to give yourself like a rough, you see the end of the nose, the belly, just like that, and then the eye will be tucked in here. Well, that's it. Now I've got some brown icing and I'm just going to fill in the head. I'm only doing one ear so that I can get kind of like a separation between the two, and the eye is going to go right there, so I'm not doing that. Fill that in, and I colored the inside of the ear pink with that marker, and now I can just there, and we'll heal this up. Now for the bottom here, I'm doing, leaving this for the tail and filling this in. This he's going to have a jacket on. And we're going to let this dry. We're going to try to do a fur on this guy. Now I have some darker icing, and I'm just dabbing with a piece of plastic, press and seal Glad wrap here, and I'm just dabbing the surface of the cookie. And you don't want to add too much. And this creates kind of like a fuzzy look. You see? We're just filling all the brown areas here. There. And this dries super quick. We'll be able to move on in a second. Now that my brown has had time to dry the fur, I can come in and add the white belly area and here the eye. So this whole area here is white, or whatever color you want to use, obviously. And once this has had time to dry, we'll do the jacket, but right now, just going to wait us a little bit. Just filling in this area. Here I have a bit of icing that's kind of, I'm just going to scrape this off, just in case it's showing. There. All right. And now the jacket. Again, we have to wait for this to dry before moving on. Nudge the line over here. I'm going to add his leg here. I want it to kind of look a little bit more kind of three-dimensional, or at least two-dimensional, and so I'm adding a leg here on the front. And also here, the jacket, the arm here. So we're creating an arm, just like that. And the last little thing here, I'm going to create a little kind of collar at the edge here. And now I'm just coming in on the leg with the plastic wrap like before to just get that finish on here, the same as the rest of the bunny. So obviously you have to be more careful now not to get it on the white and on the blue. So slightly more meticulous, but if your icing is dry over here, you can just kind of wipe it off. One of my favorite ways to decorate a bunny tail is with nonpareil sprinkles. And you just add your icing and immediately coat that in the sprinkles. You see? And then they glue. My icing is quite runny, so hopefully it'll stay on the cookie, but that's it. Bunny's pretty much done. I'm coming in from the top because the angle is best. And I'm just doing with my marker here. This is a rainbow dust marker. It has two ends. This is the finest of the two, and I'm just going to be adding 3 whiskers like that. And here are the completed cookies. As you can see, you don't have to copy a character exactly to give the kind of feel of it, and people will recognize it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads, and I'll see you next time.